We are at 1713 South Newberry Drive. We are attempting to repair from this shingle. In order to remove this shingle, we must take out the shingles above it. I am using the crowbar that they recommend for me to use. I will be really gentle in trying to remove the shingle. As you can see in the process, there's a bunch of granules being lost, and there is one point of impact right there. Boom. Another one. Bunch of granule loss. 1, 2 so far. As you can see, there are barely any kind of force being used. And really losing lots of shingles. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 so far. Another one, and lots of granules being lost. As you can see, there's another one right there. And then there's another one right there. I'm no longer will proceed. This attempt to repair has failed again. We will no longer proceed. We're doing more damage than good. This attempt to repair has failed.